So something happened to me with PayPal, which is this. It says something like, we stopped this payment to keep you safe. And this is basically like a very common problem. I checked on Reddit. Like there are a lot of people that are facing the same problem. Okay. So I was wondering what I should do to fix it. So after just a few minutes, I found the solution for this. So by the way, if you can see here this image, it says here, we stopped this payment to keep you safe. We believe this could be a scam, so we stepped in to protect your money. So the thing is, this has nothing to do with your PayPal account. It's the person you are trying to send the money to. They noticed unusual activity in their own account. Sometimes they limit their accounts, sometimes they don't limit their accounts, and still you are going to get this error whenever you try to send the money to them. Now you can send the money to someone else and you will be able to send them the money without any problem. Now what you need to do is, if it's your friend, you can tell them, hi, go to your own PayPal account and check if PayPal sent you any email, because I tried to send money to this PayPal, and just as an example, just to test if this is actually related to someone else or my account, and this account is limited. As you can see, it says here your account is temporarily limited. As you can see here, it's temporarily limited, as you can see. Now check if your friend has received this error. Now if they receive this notification, they have to click on provide information, and they need to provide photo ID, as you can see here. That way they will be able to solve the problem with your PayPal account, and then you will be able to send them the money. So by the way, this has nothing to do with you. It's the person you are trying to send the money to. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below, tell me your question, and make sure drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. See you.